How to fix Snapchat name and content not visible. So first thing guys, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do here is click on the apps, and after that all what you want to do is wait a few seconds. Scroll until you find Snapchat app and then click on it. Now click on force stop and then go to the storage. Click on clear data and clear cache. Go back. Now all what you want to do is just go to the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode for 5 seconds exactly, and disable it again. Now reopen Snapchat and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.